Grand Rising, everyone. This is Miss Crystal, and I'm up this Saturday, and I'm hearing the sound, and it was a familiar sound, and the sound is the sounds of a tin roof. And if you listen closely, you can hear this sound with me. These are the sounds of rain. Well, once upon a time, people would have a tin roof. And these are the sounds of rain. This in Dallas, Texas right now. We have a little shower weather. And I just like to share you the beautiful sound where you can get a good sleep and rest. And since it is Saturday morning and I'm in my favorite pastime, I would just like to share some of the sounds that sound so beautiful that you could be able to have a good rest day. Okay, everyone, please have a great day.